ISO 9001 is a quality management system that promotes good business practices. Without good business practices, a company's success will be short-lived. What ISO 9001 does is integrate, measure, and optimize your processes. The ISO 9001 quality management system operates on 3 dimensions: the production phase, the improvement phase, and corrective and preventive action phase. The production phase is everything that the company needs to do in order to deliver its product to its client. First of all, we need to determine and analyze the customer requirements so as to know exactly what it is that the customer needs. Depending on the input we receive, we will choose a product or service for our client so that we can meet those needs. Once we know which product is needed, we can deploy our resources to get the work done. The resources are split in 2. The first and most crucial resource is the human resource. Every person in the company is responsible for carrying out a particular section within the whole business process of the company. Of course, for the human resource to work effectively, equipment is needed, and this is the second resource. The manufacturing phase starts once both resources are available. To make sure that the customer gets what was requested in the first place, we need to get information about the product. This information is obtained through testing. Testing can be carried out in any combination of 3 possible areas: before, during, or after manufacturing. Once the product is delivered to the customer, it is important to get customer feedback. This ensures that the client is pleased with the product and helps to decide the areas in which improvement is needed. So far, we've talked about the general running of the business. In the improvement phase, we take a step back to get a wider view of the business. The improvement phase starts with an internal audit, in which customer orders will be randomly selected so as to ensure that the process moves smoothly and that all the required data is being collected. The results of the internal audit are discussed during management review meetings, where we will also speak about customer feedback and make recommendations for improvements. If any problem directly relating to the quality of the product or service is detected, a corrective action is carried out, ensuring that the client suffers no detriment. And for next time, to make sure it does not happen again, we set down preventive actions. Of course, so as not to forget what we've learned, we update the documentation accordingly. For a limited time only, Malta Enterprise is offering funding opportunities for expenses related to ISO 9001 certification. The funding is essentially a 52.5% tax deduction. For more information, get in touch with us and we'll explain how it works.